Good evening, everyone. I thought tonight I'd just play through slowly some of the notes of Schumann's dedication. It's his outpouring of love through a poem to Clara Schumann, his new bride. That's the year he wrote it, the year he got married. So, and I'm trying to feel, it's in 3/2 time, and I'm trying to feel within each half 2 pulses or 2 rockings, sort of rock, and so that would be your first of the 3, rock, and that's the second of the 3, and then rock, and that's the third of the 3. So that would be, if you can hear it, 1, 2, 1, and there's the tendency is to cut that dot short. It can't be cut short. It's 1 and 2. So it's 1, 2. If you thought of 16ths, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See? So 1 rock is 1, 2. That's easy. But the second one is 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I better see what I'm doing here. So 1 and 2 and 3. That's the first third of the piece. Now the middle section is also in 3/2 time, so, but it's triplets. You get triplets on each of the 3 thirds. So it's a little looser hand. Into a really vicious part. I may not go through all of that, but because I don't know the piece well enough. think I'm on the next page. Oh yes. So and then it goes. Anyway, it's coming along as far as the notes, but I need to do a lot of slow, heavy practice. But I just wanted to show you how I can practice it for rhythm by taking small sections, breaking them right down. Every bar has to have the same groove. Da da dum ba da 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 da, or in the middle section da 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 da. In this last part, it's extremely difficult because it's 9 triplets in every, like 9 notes in every bar. So da 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 da. But then it's 2 again, 3, and all this kind of stuff. So it makes it very difficult. But it's a real challenge, and hopefully take 2 will be better, and take 3 will be even better. Have a good night now. Bye-bye.